my name is Sandeep Bhatkaikar. I am working at VMSH as assistant professor and I teach culinary arts. This is our new addition to the existing kitchens. This kitchen is different from the rest of the kitchens in terms of the use of fuel. And so we are basically teaching our students how to work on wood fire. What is wood fire cooking all about? And it is basically taking them back to our roots where our ancestors started from. Right? So I think this will be a very good kitchen for culinary arts students to learn about cooking on wood fire, and this has its own specialty of it adds a lot of taste, a lot of flavor to food which is cooked otherwise using gas.
Namaste. I'm Sujata Madhavan. I'm the chef at VM Salgaonkar Institute of International Hospitality Education. And today we have inaugurated a traditional Indian kitchen. The name of the kitchen is Chula. And this, what you see behind me, is all the equipments, all the gas ranges, everything is sustainable, and it is made using all the bricks and whatever is local in Goa, we have used that. And right from the equipments to the cooking, the biofuel and the wood fire, that is what we are using for this kitchen. So all the sessions which involve slow cooking and traditional method will be cooked and served here.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.